0.75. Again 0.75, 75, not 75. Don't treat it as 75. 0.75. Then how to convert 0.75? So in fraction. Then how to convert? See here. 0.75. So then how? Here 0 means 0 only. So that is 7 means this is in tenths place. This is in hundreds place. Tenths place. 0 means 0 plus. Tenths place means 7 by 10. Hundreds place means 5 by 100. 5 by 100. 0 means 0 plus. If you want to take 0 plus, that is your wish. If you don't want, then don't take. So why? Because here 0 means no value, nothing. Before a decimal 0 is there, no need to take that 0. Then 7 by 10 and 7 by 100. 7 by 10 plus 5 by 100. 5 by 100. We have to add these two numbers. And 5 by 100. Then how to add this number in previous chapter in fraction? So there we discussed. First we have to convert these fractions into like fractions. For converting into like fractions, what we have to take? We have to take LCM first. LCM of the denominators. 10 and 100. 10 and 100. LCM 10 ones are 10. 10 tens are 100. Again 10. 10 ones are 10 tens are 10 ones are. 1 is same. 10 ones are 10. Then 10 tens are 100 is the LCM. What is the LCM? 100. In 10 table, when we get 100, 10 tens are 10 tens are. Multiply with 10 and multiply with 10. And 100 in 100 table, 100 ones are 5 ones are. The same number we have to multiply numerator and denominator. Then 7 tens are 70 by 10 tens are 100. 5 ones are 5. 100 ones are 100. 100 ones are 100. These two are like fractions. Now we have to add the numerators. 70 plus 5, 75 by 100. 75 by 100. 75 by 100. Now we cancel with 5 table. So because here last number is 0, last number is 5, here last number is 0. 0 and 5 will come in 5 table. So we have to take 5 divisibility test. We did divisibility test. In the divisibility test, if the last digit of a number is 5 or 0, that is divided by 5. In the divisibility test, we discussed this one. Here last place is 5 and last place is 0. And these two numbers divided by 5. So we have to take a common number and cancel. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. And this 0 is left, that 0 as it is. Again, 75. First we check 7. So where it comes in 5 table. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5 and here 7 is there. 5 and 7. What is the difference between 5 and 7? 2. 2 is left. Here it makes 25. Now 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. Now again, here after cancellation, 15 came and 20 came. In 15 last place is 5 and 20 last digit is 0. If 5 and 0 is there in the last digit, which common table? So in which common table they will divide? Again 5 table. Divisibility test. In the divisibility test, if the last digit of the number is 5 or 0, then they divided by 5. So according to that, again you take 5 table. 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 15. Now these are 3 and 2. 3 and 2. 3 and 2 means they are serial numbers. Whenever they are serial numbers means consecutive numbers. Serial number means consecutive numbers. Whenever consecutive numbers will come, then no cancellation, nothing. So same, we will stop. Two consecutive numbers are there like 5 7, 5 6, 12 13, 19 20, like this number will come. Then after that no cancellation, nothing is possible. So we have to stop there. Then why? Because they have the common factor 1. No other common factor is there. So that is why no need to cancel further. So 3, 4. It means 3 by 4. 3 by 4. 0.75 is 3 by 4. Here 3 by 4 is 0.75. So this is the method. This is a fraction. Fraction is converting into decimal. Here decimal is there and we are converting into fraction. These are the methods to convert. If fraction is there given, then how to convert in decimal. If decimal is there, then how to convert in fractions. Okay. Let's now students. First activity. In the first activity, write each decimal number as a fraction. So 4 decimal numbers are given here. So these 4 decimal numbers we have to convert into fractions. And one more thing. Here 4 questions were there on the board. More 2 questions are there in this bit. So that 2 questions you have to do as your home assignment. First, all of you listen carefully. Then how to convert these decimal numbers into a fraction in short. So first here. First we take this number complete without decimal. Without decimal. 0, 0, 6. Without decimal you have to take. And take divided by. After how many digits we have a decimal? 1, 2. Decimal. If after 2 decimals, after 2 places we have a decimal, then take by 100. By 100. If after 3 places decimal number is there, then take 1000. If after 4 places decimal is there, then take 10,000 in this way. So first we have to take without decimal number 006 divided by. Then after how many places decimal is there? 1, 2 and decimal is there. So then take 100 divided by 100. So then 006 means that is 6 by 100. 6 by 100. 6 by 100 here. This is even number and this is even number. The both are even numbers. If both are even numbers, they cancel with 2. Then 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are 10 and this 0 as it is. Then in simplified form 3 by 50. 3 by 50 is nothing but 0.06. 0.06. In the same way, in this question we have to take so without decimal, that is 3123. 3123. Then after that you have to check after how many places decimal is there. 1, 2, 3. Then take divided by 1000. Divided by 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros and 1. 1000. So this is the way. Here. So this is even number and this is a prime number. This is a prime number. If last number is prime number and this is 0 number, so no cancellation, nothing. So this is only the final answer. This is only the final answer. No other table. So we can take. So why? Because in common table they won't cancel. In same table only they should cancel these and this. But here this is a prime number, this is a 0, so it's impossible to cancel. So 3123 means 3123 divided by 1000. 3.123 decimal means fraction is 3123 divided by 1000. Next, here, so without decimal we have to write a number. Then divided by 34,234 we have to take. Then after that, after decimal how many digits were there? 1, 2, 3. After 3 digits we have a decimal. After 3 digits we have a decimal means we have to take 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Then 1 is common, that is 1000. So then 34,234 divided by 1000. This is even number and this is even number. If even numbers are there, then cancel in 2 table. So then if you want to simplify, then simplify. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. 2 zeros left. That 2 zeros like that. Then after that here, 2 1s are 2. Here 3 is there. 2 1s are 2. 2 and 3 difference is 1. So 1 will come here, it becomes 14. 2 7s are 14. 2 7s are 14. After that 2. 2 ones are 2. Then after that 3. 2 ones are 2 and here 3. 2 and 3 difference is 1. 2 sevens are 14. 17117 divided by 500. Here last digit is prime number and here 0. If last digit is prime number and here 0, so no cancellation, nothing. So no need to check in other tables. So simply you stop here and write 17,117 divided by 500. So this is a simplified form of this decimal number in fraction. Here, without decimal we have to take that number first. 432 divided by. Now you check after how many places a decimal is there. 1, 2. 1, 2. After 2 means 2 zeros and 1. That is 100. Then here this is an even number. This is even number. 2 is an even number and 0 is also an even number. So they will cancel in 2 tables. 2 5s are 10 and 0. 2 2s are 4. Here 3 is there. 2 1s are 2 and 3. 1 left. 2 6s are 12. Again here 6 is there and here 0 is there. 6 and 0, so they are even numbers again in 2 table. 2 2s are 4. 4 here 5 is there. 1 left. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. Here 2 1s are 2 and 1. It won't cancel in 2 table. And we have to take 6. 16 at a time. So we are taking 6 at a time. So we have to take 1 0 here first. Then after that you take 1 and 6, 16 at a time. Then 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. Now let's start till here. Why? Because here 5 is there and here 8 is there. If 5 0 5 5 or 0 0 will be there, so then they will cancel in 5 table. Otherwise it won't cancel in 5 table. So we stop till here only. 108 divided by 25. So this decimal number in simplified form of fraction. This is our answer. So this is the way to convert decimal numbers into fractions. First simple method is there. First whatever number is there, that number we have to take without decimal. Without decimal we have to write here. Then after that we have to check how many, after how many digits we have a decimal. 1 2 3. 1 2 3 3 zeros and 1. In that way we have to take our decimal numbers into fraction. If cancellation is possible, cancel it and simplify it, write in simplified form. If till here you know, so then also it is correct, but it is better you know cancellation. You know cancellation and all and simplified form, it is more better. Okay. Yes, now students, some decimal numbers are given. So this decimal we have to, these fractions are given. 12 by 10, 35 by 10, 456 by 10, 175 by 100, 235 by 1000. These fractions are given. These fractions we have to convert into decimal. So how to convert into decimal in short? Here without fraction, so without denominator, write the number first. 12. Whatever the numerator is there, that numerator you have to take here. Then after, in the second step, how many zeros were there here? 1 0. So from right to left, after one place you keep a decimal. 1 point. 12 by 10 is nothing but 1.2 in short. In the second, 35 by 10. 35 by 10. So first you take the numerator 35. Then after that you check denominator. So what is the denominator here? Denominator is 10. In 10 how many zeros are there? 1 0 is there. Then from right to left after one place take decimal. 3.5. 3.5. That is your answer. Next, here also 456. 456. So first we take numerator, that is 456. Then after that we take a denominator. Denominator 10 is there, 10 means 1 0 is there. If 1 0, then from right to left, after 1 place, 1 place you keep a decimal point. 45.6, 45.6 here. The next numerator, what is the numerator? 175. 175. After taking a numerator, then you check denominator. Denominator is 100. In 100, how many zeros were there? 2. 2 zeros were there. It means after 2 places from right to left, 1, 2, you keep a decimal point, that is 1.75. 1.75. In the same way, first you take numerator 235. This is numerator, and the second step we have to check a denominator. In denominator is 1000. In the denominator, how many zeros were there? 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Then here from right to left after 3 places, 1, 2, 3. Means after 2 we keep a decimal. Then after that there is no number, means we have to write 0. No problem. 0.235. Now listen. So what is the method? To convert a decimal into a fraction. Fraction into a decimal. Fraction into a decimal. Whenever in the denominator tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000s, whatever is given, so just simply you do one thing. First you take numerator, and after that in the denominator how many zeros are there? So from right to left, so you got that many places and keep decimal point. Keep decimal point. This is simple question. Nothing is there. It's a very easy question. Very easy question. Whatever the numerator is there, that numerator we have to take. And in the decimal number, how many in the denominator, how many, what is the number is there, how many zeros were there. After that many zeros, you keep a decimal from right to left, then you get your answer. When the denominator is tens, hundred, thousands, in this case only. In other cases, other method is there. In other case, another method is there. Okay. In the case of the denominators tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, we have to follow this method. Okay. Yes, students, now write decimals in expanded form. 5 questions were given. These 5 questions we have to write in expanded form. How to write in expanded form? Now here see, this is in ones place, this is in tens place, this is tens, this is hundreds, this is thousands, ones, hundreds, thousands. Then this is in tens place, no, 20 plus. This is in ones place, no, 3 as it is. Then decimal after. This is in tens place, no, 1 by 10. 1 by 10 plus. This is in hundreds place. In hundreds place 0 is there. No need to write that. Then thousands place. Then 2 into 2 by 1000. 2 by 1000. In thousands place is there, divided by 1000. In hundreds place, divided by 100. In tens place, divided by 10. So if hundreds place 0 is there, no need to write. No need to write. Then here 3.134. This is in ones place. This is in tens. This is in hundreds. Hundreds. This is in thousands place. Tens, hundreds, thousand. 3 ones. Ones means 3 as it is in ones place, then plus. 1 is in tens place, that is 1 by 10. Then 3 is in hundreds place, 3 by 100. Plus 4 is in thousands place, 4 by 1000. 4 by 1000. 4 by 1000. Next. This is in ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Here this is in tens place. This is in hundreds place. thousands place. Thousands place. Now 4 is in hundreds place, 400 plus 5 is in tens place, 50. 6 is in ones place, 6 plus. Then this 7 is in tens place, 7 by 10. This 8 is in hundreds place, 8 by 100. Then 9 is in thousands place, 9 by 1000. 9 by, this is in expanded form. Expanded form. In the same way, this is in ones place, this is in tens place. This is in tens place. This is hundreds place. Then 3 is in tens place, 30 plus 4 is in ones place, 4 as it is, then plus after. 5 is in tenths place, that is 5 by 10. Then 6 is in hundreds place, 6 by 100. 6 by 100. Then after this is in ones place, this is in tens place. This is in tens place. This is in hundreds place. This is the thousands place. Okay. Now these are left side values after decimal point. Left side values. These are right side values. Right side values are decimal numbers, and left side values are common numbers. Then 56 in tens place, then 50 plus 6 is in ones place, 6 as it is plus. 1 is in tens place, 1 by 10. 2 is in hundreds place, 2 by 100. And 3 is in thousands place, 3 by 1000. 3 by 1000. So this is the expanded form. Okay. In this way, so we have to write expanded form. So whenever decimal numbers are given, so this is the expanded form. Okay.